They're all so happy in smiling sunny skies above, like they're wanting to get in my way. I'm glaring holes through the sea, parting waves in this sea. Was a long night, so good thing I saved, shooting daggers from my eyes as they step to the side. If you hate it, you don't have to stare. He shouts to me, stretches side to side, and he's just standing there like his bad head is a style. He shouts to me, stretches side to side, and he's just standing there like his bad head is a style. If you just take the time to look me in the eyes, we'd fall in love. No, wait, I'm really not all into that, but I'm still wondering why I can't look in your eyes. I can't look in your eyes. That's not it, I swear, just shut up and go. Oh,